সকলোকে স্বাগতম জনাইছো। ইমান দিনে মোৰ ইউটিউব চেনেলত ধৰ্মীয় সাংস্কৃতিক অনুষ্ঠান কিছুমানৰ ভিডিঅ' আপোনালোকলৈ আগবঢ়াই আহিছিলোঁ। আজি এটি অন্য ভিডিঅ' আগবঢ়াব বিচাৰিছোঁ। ইংৰাজী প্ৰনাউন্সিয়েশ্যন তাৰ ওপৰত লিটিল গড মডেল স্কুলৰ শৈক্ষিক তত্ত্বাৱধায়ক বুবুল শইকীয়াদেৱে বিদ্যালয় প্ৰাৰ্থনা সভাত আগবঢ়োৱা এটি ভাষণৰ কিছু অংশ আপোনালোকলৈ আগবঢ়াইছোঁ। আপোনালোকে প্লিজ মোৰ চেনেলটি ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব, লাইক কৰিব, কমেণ্ট কৰিব। আমি ভিডিঅ'টিলৈ আগবাঢ়ি যাওঁ। ধন্যবাদ।
I told you yesterday that I would like to inculcate with you some words. Generally, we make mistake while pronouncing these words. These are the common words, and many people are not alert while pronouncing. So, let me begin with a very simple word, education. So how do you pronounce this word? 90% people pronounce this word education. So from today, you should remember it should be education. Will you follow? It should be education. Next, common word. Always we make mistake while pronouncing. Guardian. Wrong, it is totally wrong. It is pronounced as guardian. Okay? Follow. You should follow yourself. It is pronounced guardian. Next, we pronounce biscuit. It is English word. It is pronounced biscuit. Remember, biscuit. We pronounce watch. It is pronounced watch. What is the time by your watch? Again, follow me. What is the time by your watch? Time goes to be time. Watch, not watch. Watch, not watch. We pronounce watch it, not watch it. Watch it. Accordingly, you should follow me. What is the time by your watch, not watch? We pronounce butcha. It is pronounced busha. B-U-T-C-H-E-R. Butcher. T is silent. And very interesting word. While you pronounce, almost each of the students makes mistake. Wednesday. Totally wrong. It should be what? Wednesday. Follow me silently. It should be pronounced Wednesday. From today onwards, you should pronounce this word Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Wednesday. Next word, mortgage. It is wrong. Mortgage. So let me pronounce this word M-O-R-T-G-A-G-E. Many people pronounce this word mortgage. Senior people also. So be alert while pronouncing this word mortgage. Remember, W-H-E-R-E, where, not clear this. You should properly pronounce this word as I pronounce, where, not where. Remember. And we make mistake while pronouncing plumber. It is correct, not correct. Never correct. It is plumber. It is plumber. B is silent. So plumber. Listen to the pronunciation plumber with spellings. Plumber. P-L-U-M-B-E-R. Generally we pronounce plumber. It is incorrect. Plumber. He is climbing the steps. Climbing, it is not correct. Climbing. B is silent. Remember, climbing. He is climbing the steps. Climb. Similarly, we pronounce cruelty, cruelty. It is totally wrong. E is silent, so cruelty, cruelty. Remember. And we pronounce incorrectly, tisha, tisha. The commonly used word this word we use the teacher, long vowel sound, and you have to stress on th. So teacher. We pronounce machine, machine. It is pronounced machine, not machine, not machine, machine. Such way we have to pronounce machine. Remember, subtle, totally wrong. B is silent, it should be pronounced subtle. Subtle means, feeble. Similarly, we pronounce physically, physically, it is ultimately wrong, physically. Yes, physically. Critically not correct, critically. Musically is not correct, musically. Artistically is not correct, artistically. From today you have to pronounce correctly. We must be proud of you. You are the students of Little God Model School. Hence, you have to pronounce correctly. We have to follow the correct pronunciation. Student is not correct. Student is not correct. Student. Yeah, E is not pronounced. Student. So follow me silently. Student. Student. You are a good student. And the first letter of the English alphabet, generally pronounce A. It is not correct. It should be pronounced Okay. And another 2 or 3 words. Christmas, not correct. Christmas. We pronounce, and sometimes you see the word in Assamese too, Christ. Christmas, not correct, never correct. Christmas. It should be pronounced Christmas. Okay, my dear students, remember, match, not match. Match. T is silent. M-A-T-C-H. It is pronounced match, not match. Remember. And again, from today you should ask your classmate or friend, what is the time? What is the time by your watch? What is the time by your watch? It is not correct. What is the time by your watch? Not watch. Watch. Again, I will interact with you with some another new words tomorrow. Until then, goodbye. Thank you.
আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টো ইমানতে অন্ত পৰিছে। পৰৱৰ্তী সময়ত আমি পুনৰ এনেধৰণৰ ভিডিঅ' আপোনালোকলৈ আগবঢ়াম। চেনেলটি ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব, ভিডিঅ'টো লাইক কৰিব, কমেণ্ট কৰিব, শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব। ধন্যবাদ।